Stop scrolling. Did you know? Non-stick pans have become a staple in many kitchens around the world due to their convenience and ease of use. However, when a non-stick pan becomes damaged or develops cracks, it's essential to replace it immediately. Here are some reasons why you should throw away your non-stick pan the second it cracks. 1. Health concerns. The biggest concern with a damaged non-stick pan is that the non-stick coating may start to flake or chip away. When this happens, the chemicals used to create the non-stick surface may leach into your food. These chemicals, including PFOA and PTFE, have been linked to various health problems, including cancer, developmental problems, and reproductive issues. 2. Reduced effectiveness. A non-stick pan's effectiveness is based on the quality of the non-stick coating, which is damaged when the pan has cracked. A damaged non-stick coating means that your food is more likely to stick to the pan, which can ruin your meal and make it more difficult to cook. 3. Increased risk of burns. Cracks in a non-stick pan can cause hot spots, making it more likely to burn your food. Additionally, the hot spots may cause uneven cooking, which can lead to uncooked or partially cooked food. 4. Difficulty in cleaning. A cracked non-stick pan is much harder to clean than a new one. Food particles and debris can get trapped in the cracks, making it difficult to clean. Additionally, cleaning a damaged non-stick pan can cause further damage to the coating, which can increase the risk of health concerns. 5. Unappealing appearance. A cracked non-stick pan doesn't just affect your food's taste and quality. It also affects the pan's appearance. A damaged non-stick pan looks unsightly and may not fit in with your kitchen decor. In conclusion, throwing away a non-stick pan that has developed cracks or other damage is essential for your health and well-being. It's important to replace the damaged pan with a new, high-quality pan to ensure the best cooking experience and to avoid any potential health risks. Click link in bio and visit blackveganshop.com and follow at blackveganshop.com for more.